holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try, you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape. Want my heart.
Yeah, Daisy's proper looking.
To stay. I run away, hit the road, and I know my stain. But I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back. Just like a boomerang. Just like a boomerang. Just like a where to push or pull. And I am going mad just like you knew I would. You're reading me like an open book. You know me better than I ever thought you could. You see my body rush for the escape. While my heart wants to stay.
I am absolutely drenched.
My head is spinning on my shoulders. So what's the use of trying, baby? All the ways they lead to you. You're like a magnet.
Hey everyone, and welcome to Thursday. Oh my goodness, I'm in a great deal of pain today. I've got this massive blister on my foot and it's killing me. It's sort of between my toes, because I think it was caused because I've not been wearing the proper shoes when I've been walking out and about, because I started walking again recently, but I've been using my normal shoes. And yeah, I don't think my foot appreciated, so I'm just walking up here to get myself into a bit of a rhythm of walking. And then once I feel like I can do that, I'm going to go back onto the hard tarmac and hopefully I'll be able to get for a bit of a walk. I'm actually doing a challenge with my friend today on Strava. We're trying to do 3 miles. We've been like boosting each other to try and do walks and stuff each day. So far we've done 3 days of walking, and today we decided to challenge each other to do 3 miles. So yeah, I'm hoping I can get that, but we'll see. I shouldn't probably be walking with this foot, I should probably be resting it, but I don't know. I'm gonna go for a nice hot shower when I get home and soak it in hot water, so hopefully that does something. Hopefully. Hey everyone, and welcome to Friday. So it's just me, a little rude today. I decided I was going to give Daisy a little rest today. I think I figured out why she's hurt her foot. I don't know if I told you yesterday, but she's got a bit of a limp and she's been struggling to walk. In our walks for the last few days, she's been like lagging way behind and kind of limping. Not proper limping, but kind of limping, if that makes sense. So I don't know if it's just old age, because she is meant to get arthritis as she gets older, because of the way her bones are structured. So it could be that it's finally happened, or it's the fact that she hurt herself. Now, she did hurt herself, I think I know how, because the other day the pair of them were trying to jump up on my piano chair, and Daisy kept trying, but she fell a few times, and I think maybe when she fell one of the times, maybe she landed funny, so I don't know. So she's on rest for a few days, and then we'll see what's what on Monday. We'll try a tiny little walk on Monday, and hopefully that works. But for now, just me and this monkey, which I think she's loving. She can go as fast as she wants because Daisy isn't dragging her down. So yeah, so I've set up the GoPro in the house to see what Daisy's up to. So I will insert that now. Hey everyone, and welcome to Saturday. And today I started off with a power cut. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I woke up this morning, just managed to have a nice hot coffee, and then the power went. Oh my goodness, we have a bit of a storm here today. Storm Malik apparently. My phone isn't working, my mobile phone. I've been trying to get it to work. My phone basically is falling apart as it is at the moment. In like 4 weeks, I'm hoping I can get a new phone. Because it's not working. Like, kicking me out of apps and restarting itself constantly. Just not responding to anything, being really slow, making out that the storage is full, and I've deleted pretty much every single app on my phone, and I've deleted pictures and videos and all these things, and it's still it's saying that it's full of storage. So I'm gonna still use this phone. I'm gonna use it, like, you know, for simple things like contacting people and stuff like that. I think it can handle that. And my new phone that I'm gonna get is just gonna be simply to do all the things on this phone that this phone doesn't allow me to do, like basically do YouTube stuff. So as you guys probably know, that when it comes to me uploading vlogs and stuff, when I do upload vlogs, I typically use my phone to post on my stories and Snapchat and my Facebook page. But if you follow it, it's pretty much run by my phone. I have like a business page on my phone, this app, and it tells me all the insight stuff and who's commented and who's liked my post, and it helps me keep track on how my posts are doing. Same with YouTube. I have I did have multiple apps on my phone that basically tells you how good your video's doing, helps you with, like, you know, tags and thumbnails, and, you know, it can keep track of these kind of fun, interesting things as a YouTuber you need to know. But yeah, so that's pretty much the update of my phone. So today with this power cut, it's not working at all. It's not doing anything, and I'm literally trying to get it to work, and I've basically requested more data with my network provider, and it still isn't doing anything. I've got this like mini hub thing from my my internet company, and it's doing nothing. It's not, my phone's not working at all. If I go on Instagram, it just says no posts. Like, I'll show you. See, it just does that. So very useful. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna have to start reading books today to fill my time. Good thing my sister-in-law got me like 3 books for Christmas, because I'm probably gonna read them cover to cover by the end of today. Oh my goodness. I could always make myself useful, have a photo shoot or something. And I'm blooming cold as well, because my flaming heater is not working because I have no power. First world problems. Excuse the hair, basically. You'll find out why in a minute. But tomorrow, basically, I have the council coming to basically get rid of some mattresses and a big desk that kind of, well, when I was putting it down the stairs earlier, it actually broke in half and all fell down at the bottom of the stairs. I wish I'd been vlogging it because my face was picture as it like broke in half and then just fell at the bottom of the stairs and it was like wood everywhere. So yeah, I put it out because you're meant to the night before, and I know what my sleep's like, so I wanted to make absolutely sure that I put it out on time and everything. Well, I did that, and I put it in a place where I thought if a gust of wind happened, it wouldn't catch the mattresses. Yeah, well, I got that very wrong. In fact, I looked out the window just at the right time, because no sooner did I look out the window and then get a jacket on and then go downstairs, well, the mattress has been that close to hitting a car, and me and this mattress were arguing, trying to get it back into the garden, and I was pulling it and I was pulling it and I was pulling it into the garden, and this gust of wind came and the mattress went up in the air and I nearly went with it. So yeah, that was an experience. So right now, this is where I put them. So right now, they're sitting in my porch. Hopefully they stay and nothing bad happens and they don't come flying out of there. I'm hoping for dear life that they stay in there. And part of the desk is sort of in between the mattresses, so I put them sort of there, and then the rest of it that I couldn't get in between the mattresses, I kind of put sort of behind them at the door, and I put something heavy on top of it. But I don't know whether that's going to make it stay or if a big heavy thing is going to get lifted up and then go through my window. I don't know. And then this morning when I went to investigate the garden after yesterday's storm, there's this big massive sort of like part of a gate that used to be there. It used to be like this massive wooden gate that used to cover the metal gate, and then there was this part of it. And yeah, that kind of was standing firmly. And when the tree men came in August or September to get rid of all the trees, they tried to take it out, but it was so strong and so like stuck to the ground that they didn't want to move it. And then the storm happened yesterday and it just whips it up like it's nothing. So yeah, I've got that currently lying flat near the front of, well, not the front but the back of the house, but the wind is coming from that direction, so I'm really hoping that it doesn't pick it up and go right through my kitchen window, so I can see a lot of damage happening tonight. I'm not looking forward to tomorrow. I don't think I'm going to get much sleep because I'm going to be worrying about my windows getting busted through, and I'm worrying about mattresses going flying off into the middle of nowhere, because yeah, I can't lose those mattresses just because I paid for them to get blooming picked up tomorrow now, and I can't afford to not get them picked up. This is just a nightmare.